खुलुमबाय लोगोफोर
बिदिब्ला लोगोफोर सोंलु सोंनाय आरो फिन होनाय हाबाफारिखौ जों जागायनोसै नोंथांमोना नायलांबाय थादो नन्दिता के परिवार नन्दिता आर यू रेडी दे नों जोबोद मोजाङै फिननायफोरखौ होलांदो What is your name?
खुलुमबाय my name is Miss Nandita khusi basumatary.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on October 13.
When were you born?
I was born on 13 October 2018.
Very good. Which class do you study in?
I study in class 1.
What is your school's name?
My school's name is Pondaram Kusari LP School.
Where is your school?
My school is in Borasara.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mr. Susmita Bagalari.
How old is she?
She is 35 years old.
When is her birthday?
Her birthday is on October 13.
What does she do?
She is a housemaker.
Does she love you?
Yes.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Do you know her mobile numbers?
977073404.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Basumatary.
How old is he?
He is 36 years old.
When is his birthday?
His birthday is on 5 March.
What does he do?
He is a teacher.
Who takes you to school?
My father takes me to school.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What is her name?
Her name is Miss Nandini Kushpusutari.
How old is she?
She is 5 months old.
When is her birthday?
Her birthday is on 6 July.
Do you love her?
Yes!
Is she beautiful?
Yes!
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading, playing, singing, eating.
Very good.
drinking.
What do you like to eat the most?
I like to eat the most pork.
What do you like to drink the most?
I like to drink the most milk.
What is your village name?
My village name is Tantaliguri.
Where do you live?
I live at Bogotpara.
What is your grandfather's name?
My grandfather's name is Mr. Govinda Basumatary.
What is your grandmother's name?
My grandmother's name is Mistress Paneswari Basumatary.
What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is bodo.
Very good.
Thank you, friends.